to restore or recover Viber messages. So let's get started. Firstly, start by opening Viber app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Viber account. Now, once logged in, you can simply see three dot icon available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, all you have to do is simply tap on the three dot icon available there and navigate to the settings of Viber. Now here, scroll down and tap on the settings option available there. Now inside settings, tap on the account option available at the top. Inside account, tap on the Viber backup option available there. Inside Viber backup, you can see backup option available. Now simply tap on the backup now and the backup process will simply start. Once backing up, if you want to restore, then simply tap on the restore option available there. Tap on the restore now again and tap on the restore for confirmation, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.